Alright, class. Today's lesson is distinguishing different triangles. Ian, please wait for me.
Sorry, man.
There are two different ways to distinguish between triangles, by their angles and by the length of their sides. Can anybody tell me how many sides a triangle has? Marguerite?
3.
Exactly. And how many angles does a triangle have? Ian?
3.
You got it. Okay. There are 3 ways to distinguish between triangles according to the length of their sides. The first one is called an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangles have all sides the same length. That's denoted by these little markers on the sides. And you can remember that an equilateral triangle has equal sides by the EQU at the beginning. EQU means equal. Can everybody repeat that, please?
EQU means equal.
Nice, there you go. Okay. Second one, isosceles triangles have 2 sides that are the same length. These 2 markers dictate which sides they are, and this one that doesn't have a marker on it shows that it's not the same length. It can either be smaller or larger than the other sides, the length of the sides. Isosceles is a little bit harder to remember, so we're going to go a little bit more in depth with the explanation. The beginning of isosceles is IS. Everybody has 2 eyes. So everybody has 2 eyes, so 2 sides. 2 eyes, 2 sides. Can everybody repeat that, please?
2 eyes, 2 sides.
That's how you remember that an isosceles triangle has 2 equal sides. Lastly, we have a scaling triangle. Scaling triangles have no sides with the same value. That's denoted by these 3 markers that are all different number of markers on each side. This one has 1, denoting that it's the smallest. This one has 2, that means it's the second smallest. And this one has 3, meaning it's the third smallest, or the biggest. Okay, how do we remember the scaling triangle has 3 unequal sides? The ending of scaling is NE. That means not equal. Can everybody repeat that? NE means not equal.
NE means not equal.
You guys are brilliant. Okay, let's go to angles now. There are 3 different ways to distinguish a triangle according to its angles. This first one is a right triangle. Let me scoot up here. Can you still see here?
Oh, yeah.
Scoot your feet. Yeah, okay, good. There you go.
We're good.
Okay, right triangles have a degree that is exactly 90 degrees, and it's denoted by this little square in the middle. Any right triangle you see will have this little square in the corner. That's how you know it's a right triangle. Acute triangles are less than 90 degrees. That's what this symbol means right here, less than. Acute triangles have less than 90 degrees, and you can remember that by acute. Acute means small. Like we'll say, that's just a little, anyway, acute, so small triangles are cute. So can everybody say that?
A cute kitten.
Exactly, like a cute kitten, because they're small.
Yeah.
Well, some of them are smaller than others, but. So can everybody say that? Small means acute.
Small means acute.
Brilliant. Last triangle, obtuse triangles are larger than 90 degrees. Now you can only have 1 obtuse angle in a triangle. Does that make sense to everybody?
Yes.
Does everybody know why you can only have 1 obtuse angle in a triangle? If obtuse angles are more than 90 degrees, and a triangle only has 180 degrees, you can't have more than 2 angles that are more than 90 degrees, because then you wouldn't have 3 sides. Does that make sense to everybody?
Okay.
There you go. Okay. Let's do a few problems here. How many acute angles does this triangle have? Marguerite?
3.
Exactly. Do you know why? Can you explain why?
Because I can't explain why.
Because-
Professor Brendan, please
Because
help.
all of these angles are less than 90 degrees.
Oh,
Does that make sense?
It does make sense.
Okay. What about this triangle? Anybody? How many acute angles? How many obtuse angles? How many right angles?
Looks like 3 acute angles.
Exactly, Ian. Why?
All 3 angles are less than 90 degrees.
Just like this one.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
What about this scaling triangle? Anybody? It has 1 obtuse angle because this angle is more than 90 degrees. Does that make sense? It has 2 acute angles, but 1 obtuse angle, and that makes it an obtuse triangle.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Awesome. Great.
Class dismissed.